Okay, let's go. So to design another app, we'll come to our design screen, go to design interface, choose select text, select number. Okay, so let me add it here. All right, after that I need my button. Let me add my button here. And then finally let me add my text view. It will be in common and text is also added. The first thing is first go to your coding screen and you change your button to app combat button type. Then you change your IDs. ADT, VTN, TXT. Okay, now then let me just add the constraints. Constraint, 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 and constraint. Constraint 1, 2, 3, and 4. Done. Okay, text view, constraint. Okay, constraint. Okay, so it's properly constrained. Everything is properly constrained. All right. Okay, now let's go to code review and nothing much to add here. Let's just design this. Let us make this a little more better to look at. Okay, let me just go to edit text and let me set the layout width to, I don't know, 300 dp, height to 40 dp. Then let me add a background. Okay, I already have one background here. So it's a solid color. Let me change the color to white. Let me add a stroke to it. Stroke. Android with 1 dp and stroke color, let it be black. Okay, stroke color. Okay. We come back to our main XML. So this is an optional step. If you want to design your app, you can do it. Else you can skip this step. And let me just add my background here. Background Android back 2. Okay. So I have a nice output here. Sorry, a nice edit text here. Similarly, let me just edit my button. I'll simply give the background as back underscore 1. And let me just change the width to something like 200 dp and the height to 40 dp. And now it looks nice. Let me just change my text view. I will change the background to back to okay. Let me just change the width to like 200 dp and height to 200 dp also. And the text is appearing at the top, so I will add a gravity center. So text will appear at the center. Okay, we add this one gravity on the center. So that's it. So designing is done. Now let's do the coding. First thing is first, let me call all the values we just added. So the widgets we added button, btn. Now I then added the edit text. Let me I will just say the edt. You can give it any name you want. Then text view txt. Okay. Now find view by id method. btn is equal to find view by id dot id dot btn was the id that I gave. Then edt is equal to find view by id method dot id dot edt. Now txt is equal to find view by id dot id dot txt. Right now, what should happen? Okay, So BT next BTN dot set on click listener, new view on click listener. Now let me just define a string. String text is equal to edt dot get text. Let me get text dot to string. Okay. Now just to make sure that the user is entering something, you can create an if statement here. If edt sorry if txt dot is empty, sorry, it's edt dot get text dot to string dot is empty, then you just make a toast and say toast equity dot this and say please enter a value. Please enter a value. And after the if statement, so the if statement started here, it's going to end here. Then you write the else statement. Else, what should happen? I can get this line from here. Control X and space it here just to make the code a little more readable. So else, what should happen? Edt get text or to string. After that, what? After that, we should display it in text, correct? So txt dot set text. I will say you have entered a space plus text. That will do. Now you can run the application and see the results. Let me just pause the video and show you this. Okay, so this is the application after running. And let me just enter something here. Before I will press the button. You have entered 25. Let me just make it to 24. I'm going to press the button. You have entered 24. Let me just make it to as 124. 1024. I'm going to press the button. You have entered 1024. And let me just not enter anything. Let me press the button. It will say please enter a value. That's it.